Hello, hello, hello. This is Pat Dinkins Green, the midwife for midlife of strategic midlife transformational coaching. And I'm just stopping by real quick to thank you all who have signed up so far for the 45-day challenge that starts November 16th. Oh yeah, it's gonna be on and popping, and you guys are such luminaries. You're gonna light up the world with the direction you're going, and you're gonna light up your neighborhood. You're gonna light up each other on the Facebook page. So encourage each other. Respond to the postings. You can even respond to each other postings that you find that are interesting. 45-day challenge. It's gonna be so good, and I'm glad that you have decided to participate. So November 16th, we're going to be starting. But right now, we're doing pre game warm ups, so to speak, pre challenge warm ups. Like I said, I've been posting things. So you guys continue to respond to each other. Welcome each other. When someone new joins, welcome them to the group. We want everybody to feel welcome and love and support. So it can't be done unless you do it. So I am counting on you to go out there and encourage each other and spread the word. It's open to men and women. We just want to have fun and, like I said, be better off than we were when we started in 2015 and end the year with a bang. That's right. We're going to have fireworks all over the place. End the year with a bang. See the banging going on behind me? Oh, yeah. It's going to be on. Illuminaries, we're counting on you to support and love on each other. And 45-day challenge. And the challenge is no pressure. It's just fun. So don't beat yourself up. If you find something challenging, post it on the board. But right now we're doing preseason, so participate. Again, welcome to the group. Welcome to the challenge. I'm Patricia Dinkins Green, the strategic midlife transformational coach, and I am the midwife for midlife, helping those who are in midlife to give birth to their dreams, to find out that and to learn and understand that life is not over until you take your last breath. So see you guys on November 16th. I will be posting another video as we get closer. Can't wait. And I hope you can either. Keep that enthusiasm going, okay? Bye-bye.